Good morning. Wayne here with Family Acreage Farms. Just giving the sheep a little alfalfa pellets and Timothy grass pellets. They cleaned them out yesterday. They really didn't eat much the day before, but you see how I'm feeding here along the fence line. They aren't going around that bucket, so they know that fence is hot, which is exactly what I wanted. They're doing good with it. They're just going back and forth like sheep and goats do. They run from one bucket to the other thinking they're missing something. And Mama Llama, Tina, is over there hanging out. The sheep are over there with her, and then somewhere over here whenever I first came in, but she's just over there hanging out. It's a goofy old thing. Let's see, zooming on her. It looks like her lips just open, hanging open like brr. So she's hanging out there, and the sheep are doing good. I checked the fence. It's at about 7.7. It's morning, so the sun just came up, and of course the sun's like way over there, and I have it pointing south. My solar panel's pointing south, so it'll get hotter and hotter throughout the day. Of course, the fence will. But it's doing fine. The sheep are eating. I'm gonna come back and check on them, see how they're, because they killed these tubs yesterday. I think they like the Timothy grass better. I'm really not sure about all that kind of stuff. I don't buy that stuff. I just grass feed things. So whatever, they can have it. They can eat it. For now, I don't like paying to feed animals. I like to let Mother Nature feed animals. We almost got some rain yesterday, but not out here. We got some back at my house, but not here. It literally separated and went around the property. So that was a bummer. But we got to definitely get some rain here. I need to go check the calves today. Their water hose was kinked one day, and then the next day I went up there and there was a leak coming out of the stinking hose. And it's one of those hoses with a guarantee. One of the ones you buy at Lowe's. It said lifetime guarantee on it. Problem is, it's over 6 months ago when I bought that thing, and of course Lowe's won't replace it. But that's why you take a picture of that water hose guarantee on it and make sure you get your refund. That's why I bought the darn thing, and most people do, but nobody ever does. So, oh, look at that sheep. Hang on a second. You see her? She's staring at Rocky. They don't trust him. I don't think the llama does either. They get mad. They get mad at those dogs. But back to the water hose. So we got to get a water hose. Everything always leaks. So buy that expensive water hose. If you run the numbers, you'll pay that thing off in a few years compared to buying one over and over and over again. Don't get the cheapy junk. Look at them. They won't go. They won't get in there. They don't. They learn they don't like that wire. They've been in here since, what is today? Today is Monday. We got here Friday. Yep, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today's Monday, so that'd be 4 days. I might move them out here, over here where Rocky is, and just put them over there. I might actually probably run them through that's the garden. They'll enjoy that. But got to get some shade over here a little better. I mean, they'll have shade here, of course, even in the afternoon because you got this mesquite tree here, and what is that thing? A hackberry tree, something like that. But elm or something. But we'll um, we'll let them have that area. But I just got to figure out. We're gonna rotate them around the yard, but there's just not enough shade for them. I mean, I know I could just put up a canopy. They're not like a calf where they'll tear it up, but I'd like to design something a little better. I got to get a welder out here. Okay, well, thank y'all for watching. Sheep are doing well. All nine are still here, and they respect the fence, which is very good. They definitely respect that fence. And those little pretty little girls are doing great. Okay, well, say goodbye, everybody. Bye, Mama Llama. And also, please like and subscribe, and then also share this with people that you think may enjoy it and may actually benefit from it. It helps us out a lot, and help people out because we're trying to do what's right here for the animals and let them live a happy life without just eating food. I know people that have 500 acres, but they feed them. They just let them run all over the acreage. They don't do any paddock shifting, and they wind up having to feed them anyway. So what's the point of having 500 acres? We can feed a whole lot more animals here on 20 acres than most people can on that because we don't overgraze. Okay, well, thank y'all again. Please like, subscribe, and share.